How to apply for a PNC credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about applying for a PNC Bank's credit card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and navigate to pnc.com. Type in pnc.com in your search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be redirected to the official website at PNC. And in this page, simply click on Product and Services, that is just below the personal in the left side of the screen. And as soon as you click on it, from the drop-down menu, you're supposed to click on Credit Cards, that is just below the Savings option. Click on it. And after you do that, you will be landed to the page of Personal Credit Cards. Simply scroll all the way down and here you can see every credit card for your need. You'll find the list of all the available credit cards offered by PNC and review the details of each card by clicking on Compare Cards option. Simply going to Explore Card Details in order to view the full details of the specific card you're looking for. Review the details of each card, and when you find one that suits you, click on Apply Now option, that is highlighted in blue color over here. And you will be directed to a form where you need to fill out an application for the PNC credit card. Provide your personal information, include your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Additionally, you will need to input your social security number or ITIN as well as your address details. There may be also a section for your employment information, and after completing the form, agree to the PNC Bank's terms and conditions, and by doing so, you will have successfully submitted your application for the PNC Bank credit card. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.